Edith, I am tired of buying different lightening creams that either gives me green veins, stretch marks, thin skin, skin discoloration, or even red skin. I just need a lightening oils that I will use to lighten up my skin without even using any moisturizer. If you are among these categories of people and you just stumbled on my video, worry no more because solution have just collided with your problems. Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. It is Francis. If this is your first time of coming across this video, welcome back to the channel. Do well to feel free around here. If you've not subscribed to the channel, hit on the bell subscription, turn on the bell notification so you can as well get notified when we drop another interesting, educative, enlightening videos like this. There are good lightening products that can lighten your skin, moisturize your skin, glow your skin, and even out your skin tone. While there are terrible ones that will whiten your skin, kill your skin barrier, and as well give you skin discoloration. And do you know what? Repairing a damaged skin is more expensive, hard to achieve than trying to glow up your skin. So that is why you should be extremely careful when trying out skin lightening products. That is for those of you that would love to lighten up your skin complexion with one or two shades. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 6 amazing body oils that is going to lighten your skin and at the same time moisturize your skin. These oils are not your regular oils, so I would advise you to pay close attention to this video. Watch this video till the end because I am going to be giving you a secret that is going to help you achieve a lightening skin within 7 days. And I'm also going to give you this simple trick that is going to help your skin not to get damaged because you can be using the right product and your skin still get damaged due to some mistakes you can make. Let's dive straight into these amazing body oils that you can use to brighten your skin without using any moisturizer. You get that? No moisturizer. So if you're among those girly that I don't have time for moisturizer or I'm tired of using moisturizers, pay attention to these videos. So the first body oil that we are going to be making use of in this video is Jedat's Gold Oil. This oil is a snow white oil that is going to lighten your skin without whitening your skin. Now, don't forget, there is a huge difference between brightening skin, lightening skin, and whitening skin. This oil is going to lighten your skin and not whiten your skin. This oil is also going to even out your skin tone. Okay, so you have nothing to worry about. If you're among those that are looking for a good oil to whiten your skin and you also want to be at the safe side, so this oil is a good go for you. The next oil that we are going to be talking about is Advanced Whitening Oil. When you hear this name, Advanced Whitening Oil, now don't get it wrong because you're hearing whitening. Don't think it's going to whiten. That is just like a clickbait. Should I use the word clickbait or market strategy for people to buy it because of the name whitening? It's not going to whiten you, but it will just lighten you. Okay, it will give you just one or two shade lighter complexion than you already have. Okay, this oil is one oil that is going to lighten you up. It's going to give you that beautiful glow. You have nothing to worry about while making use of this oil. If you know you don't want to be 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin complexion, then you have no business using this body oil because this body oil will not only lighten your skin but it's also going to target those dark areas in your body. The third soap that, oh God, the third body oils that we are going to be looking at is the Advanced Korea Whitening Body Oil. Now, this oil is one beautiful oil that you shouldn't sleep on. If there's something I love about Korean products, is its effectiveness on our skin in Nigeria. Don't get it twisted. There are some Nigerians that this Korean product don't work on their skin, but Korean products are very, very beautiful on the skin. Now, this body oil is going to lighten your skin. It's going to give you what you want. It's going to moisturize your skin, okay? This oil is not among those oil that is going to just look greasy on your skin, make your skin looking dried, unmoisturized, and flaky. This oil, when you apply it, is going to moisturize your skin, give you that beautiful glow, that lightening, beautiful glow that you desire. Another thing about this oil is very lightweight. It's not going to make you sweat. So if you're among those that are scared of it making you sweat, you don't want any oil that is going to make you sweat. Since you don't want to use a body lotion, okay, this oil is still very much safe for you. You are not going to sweat while making use of this oil. So it is perfect for you to use. Now the next body oil that we are going to be talking about in this video is Julie Gold oil. When you hear the word Julie Gold oil, it's one oil that is very good and affordable, but at the same time, it is going to lighten up your skin. This Julie Gold oil is one oil that is going to target those dark areas on your skin. Any dark area on your skin, it is going to lighten it up. It will lighten your whole body up, and it's also going to target those dark areas, those stubborn dark areas on your skin that you've tried so many things and it has refused to lighten up. This oil is just going to do that job. The oil is also moisturizing. Okay, it's not going to give you any issue. All right, this is a it's a go to go oil, affordable. Okay, affordable. So if you're someone that is still looking for a lightening oil that is going to be affordable but yet effective, this oil is that oil that you shouldn't sleep on. The fifth oil that we're going to be talking about is the whitening oil. Now, this very body oil is very, very safe on the skin. Now, when you hear the name whitening, I know the first thing that's going to come to your mind is it's going to whiten me up. No, this oil is not going to whiten you up. It will just lighten you up, not whiten you up. And it's very safe. It's not going to give you green veins, not going to give you stretch marks. It's not going to give you skin redness. It's not going to give you skin discoloration. It's not going to damage your skin barriers. So you can see this oil is one safe oil that you shouldn't sleep on. Okay, it is affordable but yet very effective. If you know about this oil, you know about this oil. Now, the next oil, which is the last oil that we're going to be talking about in this video, is caviar whitening even tone body oil. This body oil is another banger. Somebody shout banger, shout bomber. This oil is another good oil that you shouldn't even think of sleeping on. This oil is very moisturizing. When I mean very moisturizing, it's a very moisturizing oil that is going to help you whiten your skin. You see, if you're among those people that do complain that whitening products don't work on you, you could try out this oil or try out any of the oils that I have mentioned. If you are among those ones that have hard skin, that whitening products don't really work well on you, you can try out this oil and you're going to come back and share your testimony about this oil. Now, listen to this attentively. Okay, there are things that you can do that is going to make these oils have negative effects on your skin. Yes. Now, a body product giving you negative effect or side effect on your skin doesn't necessarily mean it is fake or doesn't mean it is a bad product. Abuse of the product can also make it damage your skin. There is one thing you should know while making use of a lightening product. Okay, you are not to make use of your lightening product when the weather is harsh. Yeah, when the weather is harsh, you don't make use of the lightening product. or when you're going out under the sun, you don't make use of your lightening product, even when you'll be wearing an SPF, okay? Because your SPF, you're always supposed to be reapplying it. And we all know we don't reapply it, okay? As we are supposed to, we don't reapply it. So the safe thing is to apply this at night. Make use of this oil at night, okay? And another thing I'm going to tell you, when making use of a lightening product, peradventure you're making use of a lightening oil, and you're among those that still make use of your moisturizer should not be a lightening moisturizer. Do you understand? When you're making use of your body lotion and you still need a lightening oil, your body lotion should be a brightening body lotion, while your body oil can be a lightening body oil. If you're among those that don't want to make use of any lotion, okay, your soap shouldn't be a lightening soap, okay, your shower gel or your soap, whatever, it shouldn't be a lightening one. Make sure it is just a brightening one. Then your oil should be a lightening one. That is another mistake you shouldn't make, because when you make use of lightening, your skin will be so sensitive to the sun or sensitive to any damage that is to come to it. Okay, so make sure you make use of just one lightening product in your skincare routine, and the others should be brightening products. Now, another thing you should also pay attention to while making use of body oil, that is for those of you that don't want to use a lotion, okay? Even those making use of a lotion, you can still do the same thing. But I'm directly talking to those not going to make use of a body lotion, okay? Now, when you come out from the bathroom, you don't damp all the water away from your skin. Don't totally dry up your skin, because if you totally dry up your skin and you apply your body oil on your skin, even if even when that oil is a moisturizing oil, it's not going to give you enough moisture on your skin. Okay, it's not going to give you enough moisture your skin needs 24 hours or throughout the day. It's not. Okay, your skin might look dry at the long run. All right, so what you're going to do is, if once you're out from the bathroom and you just damp your skin, okay, don't allow your skin get dry. There should still be water on your skin, but not dripping water. Your skin should still feel wet. Then you apply your body oil on your skin, so it's going to help lock the moisture that the water gives you, okay, and your body wash, your shower gel or your soap. That is why you should make sure you are making use of a moisturizing shower gel or a moisturizing soap. Okay, if you're making use of an exfoliating soap, make sure, very very important, you don't dry your skin totally before applying your body oils. If you found this video interesting, if you found this video helpful, do well to hit on the bell subscription, leave a comment in the comment section, turn on the bell notification so you could get notified when next we upload an amazing and interesting video like this. Okay, share this video to someone that needs it. We have a lot of girls who want to lighten up their skin but don't know the right product to use. So you can share this video to them, to your friends, to your share it to them. Leave a comment in the comment section. Have you tried any of these oils before, or what's your take? Do you believe in striking out your body lotion and just making use of your body oils, or do you strongly believe in moisturizer and body oil, or do you believe in just moisturizer and body oil without a body wash or body soap? Let us know down below, and I will see you again. Bye bye.